Keep it simple. Welcome back. Today we're making quinoa stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients: 4 bell peppers, any color, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup corn kernels, fresh or frozen, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup shredded cheese, cheddar or mozzarella. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cut off the tops of the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes. Rinse the peppers and set them aside. In a large skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they become translucent and fragrant. Add the cooked quinoa, black beans, corn kernels, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Stir well to combine and cook for a few more minutes until heated through. Stuff the bell peppers with the quinoa mixture and place them upright in a baking dish. If there's any leftover stuffing, you can place it around the peppers. Sprinkle the shredded cheese over the stuffed peppers. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and slightly golden. Remove from the oven and let the stuffed peppers cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy the flavorful and fiber-rich quinoa stuffed bell peppers.